Hey baby, I missed you.
Kill me now. Hey Sophie.
What's wrong, Mike?
Nothing.
Okay, I love you.
That's nice.
So what's up, baby?
Not much you?
Oh baby, let me touch your hair that you've worked so hard on, so hard to look good.
Can you fucking not?
It looks better this way.
Stop bitch, you're fucking annoying.
It's sexed up now, it looks good.
No it doesn't, stop.
Mike, what's wrong?
Nothing, just fuck off, sound good?
How come you never talk to me anymore?
I've been really busy.
Yeah, you're really busy playing your Farmville when you could be talking to me.
Listen cunt, Farmville has already gotten me farther in life than you ever will.
I don't understand.
God, you really don't have a fucking clue.
Baby, you're acting so strange.
Aaron told me to tell you Leroy Jenkins.
What?
Nothing, never mind you twat.
Mike, something's wrong, what is it? I love you.
You're so fucking dumb.
Can I touch your hair?
I don't want to date anymore.
Wow, really?
Yuppers.
Why?
You're making me sick, you're annoying as fuck, you Makia, really weird, I hate when you touch my hair, you're super clingy, your voice is so irritating, you have one of those bodies that look better with clothes on, your friends aren't much better, and to top it all off, the sex just isn't that great, it was better when you were still my bitch, but now it's over, and I'm gonna go hit on your best friends, and you can go back to good old Carl.
You weren't the one for me anyways.
So this works out good then.
You used to be really cute and sweet.
I'm not taking you back, so shut the fuckity fuck up, you fucking motherfucking fuckhead, fuck face, fuck you.
Okay, bye.
Oh, and I left you for a ginger so hot.